You know, when I was a young guy, just a young buck, 20 years old or whatever, even as a kid, I never worried about anything. I never had to worry about anything. What was to worry about? Well, actually, I had my mom. She was doing all the worrying for me. She worried about everything, so I never had to worry. I just left all the worrying up to her. Well, that worked out pretty good, But then I started to feel a little bit guilty about that, I started to think, well, maybe I'm just like that Alfred E. Neuman guy, from the Mad magazine. I used to buy those when I was a kid, too, 5 cents. It cost 5 cents for a magazine. I mean, what a deal. Well, Alfred E. Neuman, his claim to fame was, what? Me worry? And that was just like me. I didn't worry. That was a good thing, because you're not supposed to worry. Well, I worry a little bit now, I got a lot more things to worry about. Well, my mom's not here anymore. She died. She's gone to heaven. Well, I'm sure glad she went to heaven too, eh? That was a really good thing. But in 1 Peter verse 5 verse 7, chapter 5 verse 7, 1 Peter, that's that Peter guy. He was some think he was a pope, the first pope. Well, he wasn't a pope. Actually, he didn't even live or have anything to do with Rome. Well, that's the truth. But so he wasn't the pope. Well, that doesn't matter. He wrote this book. He wrote 2 letters. And the first letter he wrote, they call it First Peter. And in chapter 5, verse 7, it says, God cares for you. So turn all your worries over to Him. Well, that's a good idea. Why do you want to worry when God's going to do the worrying for you? Man, oh man, let Jesus do the worrying. So you need to read that verse. That's really, really good. I really encourage you to get out the Bible. Find out what the Bible says. It's got lots of stuff in there. Anyway, I got an awful lot to learn. But my heart's right. God bless you and have a wonderful, wonderful day.